She's zooming around the yard. She says, my mom and dad are out here to protect me. Hopefully this is going to work. Nope, I've already lost it. Oh, no, there it is. Okay, got it. These things are such a pain. Anyway.
Hey friends, you're watching Brainstorm Acres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Well, we've had months and months of weather that makes it difficult to put down cardboard.
Right,
So,
well, the last time I was going to come out and pull the weeds, the ground was frozen.
it's thawed.
Yes.
It's not raining right now. We still
Yes.
have plenty of moisture in the bed, so we'll be able to get most of the weeds out at least okay.
Uh-huh. So that's what we're going to do.
We have plans.
We do. Okay, choose your garbage can.
I'll go on the other side.
Okay.
I'm not going to worry too much about leaving roots behind because if they sprout, the cardboard will smother them.
Right, well, and to be honest, the roots on these, the top roots at least, are coming out. And these are generally annual grass, so it's not like a perennial that would come back from the roots anyway.
Not like Bermuda grass.
Yes, not like a Bermuda, and not like any of the other local weeds that would have a tendency to come back like a bad burger.
Normally we get this taken care of in October or November.
Yeah, and actually normally I don't let it get this bad. We did not use these beds last year, and I managed to keep clearing several of them for months, and then, yeah, it all sort of got away. Do watch for bugs as you do this. When I was picking up some stuff down by the studio the other day, I found some shield bugs. So, and I squashed them because they are bad bug.
Well, I'd expect to see grubs, if anything, in here.
I did find some grubs in a couple of the other beds. Grubs tend to be, the bugs that lay grubs tend to be attracted by grass. So,
Well, the problem is it's been so cold that chances are if there's grubs in these beds, they're down low.
yeah, they'll be down 5 or 6 inches. They won't be at the top at all, in general. Although once in a while, if you find a plant that's got really good roseate leaves or something like that, so that they spread on the surface and provide some protection, you'll find some under there.
This is coming out a lot easier than it did the last time I was in here weeding this summer.
Yep. Part of that's the fact that I continued to put mulch and stuff down on here. The goal was to get this bed in really great shape, even though we didn't know what we were going to do with it. But now that we've decided what we're going to do with it,
So now we know.
shape,
So now we know.
yeah, yeah.
Well, this bed also had a lot of clay in it.
Yeah, well, I've been working on that for years and years, and it's finally sort of, I've been putting a lot of pelletized
Gypsum.
gypsum and all
We also-
kinds of other stuff in here, and it really has made a difference.
We also put a lot of compost
Yes, a
in
huge
this
amount
bed.
of compost. I'll have to go back and re-clean your section. I was able to keep the big, deep-rooted things off of here mostly last year, like the thistle sort of things and stuff. It was just towards the end of the summer that the grass just totally got away from me, and I just finally said, I can't do this. I'll burn it down later.
Well, my plan had actually been to use the big torch on the weeds.
Yep. Never happened.
Well, It's not that it just didn't happen. It was, we had too much wind too often.
Well, you would have had to be out here at 4 in the morning. And that doesn't usually happen. At certain times of the year, that's just not on the list.
Well, we didn't have a real long burn ban this year. Previous couple of years, we had burn bans until pretty much in the fall.
Yeah.
And the problem with if you have a burn on your place that's purposefully set to clear weeds is if it gets out of hand, you pay the bill.
Yeah. Yep. And the fine on top of it and all that other good stuff.
Well, you definitely pay a fine if it's during the burn ban.
Yep. Because they have proof positive that you were breaking the law. Because you set the place on fire. Be aware of the solanum down there. If you want me to take care of it, just let me know.
I got the solanum.
You still have some more?
Yeah, I got the big one though, which has the big stickers.
Yep. May have to get a derotifier here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Okay, I'm gonna get a root digger.